I lost a student from Maseno University, William Mayenga, who was shot dead by police officers. Demonstrations are allowed under the Constitution of the Republic. It's allowed in Article 37. The same way it's allowed by Article 17 of the Constitution of South Africa, or Section 1.1 of the Preamble of the Constitution of France. In Israel, it's not even in the Constitution. But people come out and demonstrate. Even you journalists, we condemn in the strongest terms possible the attacks we are seeing from the police against the journalists. We cannot nurture democracy by doing those kind of uncouth acts. Those acts should not happen in a country where there is democracy. You have a right as media to pass over information to the public. So we want to remind the head of the police, the Inspector General, it is primitive to start this script where you want to attack journalists to discourage them from passing information to Kenyans. The Constitution is very clear that Kenyans have a right to receive information, and the media must be protected and it must remain free and independent. So nyinyi kesho mkitoka nje kama kuna maandamano ambayo inafanywa ni maandamano ya amani ya kutetea maisha ambayo imeenda juu zaidi, mkienda pale report to us. We want to know what's happening. Na tunaomba serikali ipeane security ya kutosha. The countries are mentioned in Israel, France, South Africa. People have demonstrated, but we don't see the kind of killings that we are seeing in this country. And we want to remind the IG that the accountability will stop at his doorstep. The person who was taken to ICC last time was the head of the police commissioner then, Ali. So he also needs to be careful to know that there is not only local laws, but we also have international community that is watching. And to President William Ruto, he is the leader who needs to step down. And I want to agree with other leaders who have spoken. Steve